Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy, where you will learn everything about making easy passive income online. My name is Oscar. I'm a full-time nurse in California, and I honestly love side hustles. If you're interested in creating multiple streams of income, then this is the perfect channel for you. So please subscribe below and let's get started. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about Bitpanda. Okay? If you don't know what Bitpanda is, it's a crypto exchange software app. Okay, invest in what you believe in. You could invest in stocks, cryptos, metals, all in one place, and you can open a free account. If you're interested in trading, then this might be a good program for you. They have over 2.5 million happy users, and they're a very popular program, very popular app. All your investments all on Bitpanda. You could sell cryptocurrency, crypto indices, auto invest in the whole crypto market with single clicks, stocks, ETFs, metals, tons of different things, and you could get started today. Now, how can you make money with Bitpanda? Really easy, okay? You can join their Bitpanda affiliate program today and you can earn up to 20% commission. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's really easy, it's really simple. Here is a little picture guide to tell you how you could get started with affiliate marketing. Affiliate promotes a product or service on their website. You could do this through YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, anywhere where you can even do it on Quora, anywhere where you can put a link and you can get paid, okay? So whenever a customer clicks on your link and actually converts, like they join Bitpanda, for example, if you have that link, conversions are tracked and Bitpanda is going to pay you a commission. So there's tons of affiliate programs out there from Binance, PrimeXBT, BitMEX, Bitpanda, Bybit, Trezor wallets, and these companies will pay you commission. If you look at the Bitpanda affiliate program, you're going to be earning up to 20% commission, up to 20% revenue share. You receive up to 20% revenue share for every referred customer. The percentage depends on the total amount of net revenue all your referrals generate per month. Brokers with high volume and recurring customers, they have over 1 million users using this program. And if you make videos, you can even increase how many customers they have and which they will pay you for life. They have a long cookie duration, and if you don't know what cookies are stored for a long period of time, so 30 days. You can even earn a revenue share from users who register on Bitpanda weeks after they clicked on your affiliate link. So let me explain that right now. On YouTube, you can make videos around cryptocurrency because they are blowing up. Altcoin Daily, for example, he has 884,000 subscribers on YouTube, and he makes daily videos on cryptocurrency. And if you're in cryptocurrency, you probably have seen some of his videos, okay? Now here is where the magic happens, okay? He's getting around 100,000 views, for example. If you click on his video and scroll down right here, these are his affiliate links. So you support the channel, they get a kickback, meaning they are getting paid by these companies from these affiliate links at no extra cost to the customer, okay? So if you buy Bitcoin with Cash App, the easiest way to buy Bitcoin in 2020 in the US, if they use their code, they are going to get paid. If you buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, they are going to get paid. If you get a Nano Ledger S wallet from their affiliate links, you're going to get paid. So for example, if I click on this link and it has a 30-day cookie duration, okay, long cookie duration. If I click on this link, for example, and I shop around on their website, boom, if I shop around on their website and I say, I don't have enough money, I'm probably going to buy it in the future. Well, you have a 30-day commission, a long cookie duration, 30 days. So it could be like 25 days from now, and then you go on your phone and you decide to actually type it in and go to that whatever program that they were promoting and you buy it, they are still going to get paid. They don't have to buy it right away. They have up to 30 days to buy it. That is the power of affiliate marketing. Now with YouTube, they have tons of videos, okay? There's tons of people watching YouTube every single day. If you make videos around cryptocurrency, for example, and you can use something like Tubebuddy. It's a free extension. You can get a lot of views really easily. Okay, it's a free product. It's used by over 1 million people. They allow you to do advanced keyword research. Let Tubebuddy help you identify high-performing searchable videos, topics, and then craft the perfect title and tags. Okay, you could use Tubebuddy and you can make videos around cryptocurrency, and you can promote tons of different affiliate programs, and you can make thousands and thousands of dollars legitimately, all while helping people. With Tubebuddy, it's going to cut your publishing in time in half. It's going to help you make videos faster. It's going to help you rank higher in the search results. The higher you are in search results, the more people are going to click on your video. The more people are going to click on your affiliate links in your YouTube description. Get more views and subscribers. The cool thing with affiliate marketing is you don't even need to have 1,000 subscribers to get started. You could have 10 subscribers, and as long as you promote affiliate programs, you will get paid. You will make a lot of money, okay? You can get started really easily. And there's tons of affiliate programs out there. If you're not into the crypto niche, you just want to make quick buck, you could sign up for Clickbank, okay? They're available in over 200 countries for over 20 years, and they've paid out over $4 billion. If you want to become an affiliate, they have over 100,000 affiliates promoting tons of different products. And all you got to do is click start promoting. All you got to do is enter your email and make a password. It's completely free to join. Once you get into their marketplace, this is where the magic happens, okay? They have tons of different programs that you can promote for a lot of money. It can range from arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, commodities, debt, economics, foreign exchange, honestly, computers, cooking, e-business, education, employment, fiction, games, green products, health, fitness, you name it, they got it, okay? Now, if you look at these commissions on the right, this is how much people are earning every single time someone refers it to a specific product. So for example, the bots live trading room, if you promote this particular program, you're going to be making $3,000 per conversion. That's right, $3,000. If you want to make $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing, you only got to convert around 3 people per month, okay? If you want to make $2,000, all you got to do is promote Tai Lopez's program, and you promote, and 2 people click on the link and they buy it, you're going to be making over $2,500 a month without AdSense. That is crazy. Microcap millionaires, they're offering $784 whenever someone buys their program, and you don't even need to make any training programs. You don't need to make a course. You don't need to do anything but insert these links. All you got to do is click promote. They're going to give you your own referral link. You post it anywhere you want, and you can make a lot of money. $577 promoting real estate deal finding solution, which is Bird Dog Bot. You can make $277 per commission. There's a ton of money out there with affiliate marketing, and if you want to get started, you can learn from my mentor. All you got to do is write in your first name, your email address, and you're going to get instant access to their training tutorial from point A to point Z, and you can make money today with affiliate marketing if you'd like. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.